Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2002 BMW K1200RS. Beautiful silver and red metallic. Only 45,000 miles, runs beautifully. Shaft drive, inline 4-cylinder, brand new tires. Come on by, make your BMW K1200RS dreams come true for just $44.99. No financing on this bike. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, or at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. This bike has ABS brakes, electric heated grips, BMW side cases, adjustable windshield. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.